Welcome to Symbol Tech Working Bench. Welcome back, my friends, to another video. So in this video we're gonna do the final part of the MX50SE amplifier build. So let me bring it here. So I received the speaker protection, which I already mounted over here. Then a small transformer that power of this board. Then I have the main power supply here and the boards. I still need to do some connection here on the wires for the speakers. So we're gonna do also a nice cable management over here around. And without further ado, let's start to hook up all these wires. Okay, so let's start wiring this up. So this one is output from one channel, so they were gonna go on here. And next one, it's gonna be the ground from this channel. So the ground from this channel is this one. Next part, I will gonna bring this one down from here. It's coming the ground from this channel over here down. The ground from this channel. Then the output from this channel, which is this wire, but first I want to camera this one down to go on this side over there. So let's go with this one. Now let's connect the output side of this one. So first should be this channel over here. So let me first already to put here, to catch all these wires together with the zip tie. Here's some zip ties. And let's use some of these ones, small ones. Okay. Let's put a zip tie also in this side. Which are all these together. And now let's connect the wires here. So first should be the output signal. I'm gonna go there and tie the screw down. Next we're gonna be the ground from the speaker from this channel. Tight also this screw down. And now we can put another zip tie over here. Next should be this one. So first it will gonna come the signal. No, the ground first, yeah. Ground. Ground is in, let's tighten it down. Next one should be the speaker from the other channel. And tie down. Now let's continue to put some more zip ties. So start putting also one over here. together also here. Another one also here all together. Then these ones all together as well. And looks ready to run, so I'm gonna hook up the speakers and we're gonna give a try to see how that it will gonna works. Okay, so I set up everything. I connect the speakers and power, and let's give first the sound test, and then we're gonna also do an oscilloscope test. So let's turn it on. I use some bookshelf speakers, and they're gonna do really nice for this one. So how you can see is turn it on. I'm going all the way up to maximum, doesn't do any noise, so it's silent, silent, silent. So in this case, for this option that is a silent, I like it. And now let's put the sound on, and so let's put just a little volume and let's play a sound right now. And now let's go up with the volume. I'm really pleased how that sound, and also looks very neat inside. Everything is arranged perfectly and I'm really happy with. Let's now clean a bit the table, bring the oscilloscope and do some oscilloscope test as well. Okay, so back to my working bench. I set up everything, so I connected the two dummy load resistors here, 8 ohms, so one per channel. Let's turn on this multimeter and bring it here that you can also see it. So practically this multimeter, it will gonna show me the input voltage, how many millivolts I'm putting on the input, and with the oscilloscope we're gonna see the RMS power that can deliver this amplifier. So let me set up my signal generator to 1 kilohertz. So we are about 1 kilohertz, so it's 999. Okay, let's turn on the amplifier. So the amplifier is on. Let's turn all the way to the max the input potentiometer, and let's now bring the signal to amplitude. So let's have a look here. So you can see it's almost 1 kilohertz over there, and let's bring it before clipping. So before clipping, so the clip is there. So before clipping we are here. So input is 570 millivolts on the input, and then output we have 18 volts per channel RMS, which is if I may do a math quick, let me have a look at math quick to understand how many watt power we getting out. So I say 18 times 18 divide by 8 ohm. So I'm getting 40 watts RMS power. So 40 watts RMS power from this amplifier with the input of 570 millivolts, which is good. And also you heard the sound very good. I'm really pleased with. So let's clean my table and cover this one and end up this video soon. So let me clean and we're gonna continue the video. Okay, so this how looks all the amplifier inside. Now we're gonna just come closer to the camera, moving a bit around the front panel, the back panel, nice heat sinks on the sides. And please leave your comment on the comments below. Tell me what you think about this project, and if you don't see all the series, I'm gonna put them over here, the first part and second part. So the first part was the boards, when I make the boards. Second part was when I make the power supply. And see all the series and tell me what do you think about this project from the beginning until the end. And let's cover it because it's all done. I don't need any jobs to do anymore on this one. And I'm gonna also put on the description below the link of the video when I get the chassis, if you might like to have one chassis like this one. It was costing very cheap, was not expensive at all. and it's a really nice chassis for a small project amplifier where it doesn't require a too much big transformer, because there is some amplifier that really, if you don't have a really big transformer, it will not run. That we're gonna see it soon, so stay tuned, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, because soon it will gonna come the project, Hiraga project continuing, because I already have the first part when I did the boards, and the second part is gonna be when I'm gonna build the power supply of it as well, and that one you're gonna see that require a very big power supply, so that's why I will not be able Hiraga to mount it in a case like this one, also because Hiraga is a class A that need big heat sinks, so because they are running very hot, so to cool them down you need a very big heatsink. And you're gonna find description for the first part of the Hiraga that I already video available on my channel on the description below. And if you are new watching the channel, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, like that you're gonna not miss my projects that you're gonna come soon. Yeah, the amplifier looks very nice, everything is done. Altogether maybe has around 5 kg, 6 kg altogether. It's become a bit heavy. When was the empty box was really light. So yeah, please tell me what you think about this video. If you like the video, put a thumb up, put a like over there, and until the next video I'm gonna say have a nice day and bye bye.